Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making Dana's Demon Eggs from the Ghostbusters Cookbook. The ingredients I'll be using are 8 eggs, a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, a few dashes of my favorite hot sauce. I have 3 to 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise in here. For the spices, 1/4 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, onion powder, and kosher salt, and then also 1/8 of a teaspoon of white pepper. And then over here I have 1/4 of a teaspoon of paprika. And then I've also got a few jalapeno slices to top these off with. Those are all the ingredients, so let's go ahead and get started. The way I like to make hard-boiled eggs is I start cold eggs off in a pan covered with cold water about 1 to 2 inches above the level of the egg. And then I will turn this on to high heat and allow it to come up to a full rolling boil. Now that my eggs have come up to a full rolling boil, I'll turn off my heat, place a lid over it, and now I'm going to set a timer and allow these to sit and cook in the residual heat for 15 minutes. I'm also going to remove it off of the hot burner so that they don't continue to absorb the heat from the burner. After setting for the 15 minutes in the hot water, I've gone ahead and poured it off, and now just gently run over some cold tap water to help stop the cooking process. Alright, now that I have them covered, I'll allow these to sit in the cold water for a few minutes until they're cool enough that I can handle them to get them peeled. Once the eggs were peeled, I went ahead and cut them in half and removed the yolks and placed those in a separate bowl. And now all I have left to do is to combine all the remaining ingredients, starting off with the mustard, the spices, the mayonnaise, and then a few dashes of my favorite hot sauce. You can add as much or as little there as you like. Now that I have everything in here, I've started combining the ingredients. I am mashing down on the egg yolks, trying to break those up as small as I can. I want to get this, as smooth as I can get it. The next step is to go ahead and start filling the center of your eggs. You can do this one of 2 ways, either by dropping it in with 2 spoons, or if you have a piping bag, you can certainly use one of those. I'm fresh out of them, so I'm opting for the spoon method today. Now that I have all the eggs filled, the only thing I have left to do is to garnish them with a little pinch of the paprika across the top of them. The last step is to go ahead and garnish these with some of the sliced jalapeno. I'm not going to be doing all of those. I'm going to leave a couple of them without, just in case somebody here doesn't want a raw slice of jalapeno. Alright, that's all of them to put together. Let me go ahead and get a few thumbnail pictures, and we'll go ahead and give one of these a try and see what I think about them. Alright, with all that taken care of, now I can finally dive in here and try one of these out. I am going to go for one of the ones that doesn't have jalapeno on the top. I do like it spicy, but sometimes not that spicy. These are definitely packing quite the spicy punch, and I am thoroughly enjoying that. They are perfectly balanced. The spice level is not too high. I could probably have added a little bit more of the hot sauce, but honestly I think they're perfect just as they are. Probably some of the best deviled eggs I've made from these themed cookbooks so far on the channel. But that is going to be it for me for the day. If you all have enjoyed this video, leave me a comment down below. If you tried this recipe out, let me know how it turned out for you. Have a safe and happy Halloween season, and as always, thank you all so very much for joining me. I've been Vault Girl. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope I'll see you in the next one.